Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Well, dear students, let us start the examples of the topic sets. First question, the number of proper subsets. Okay, so this question is based on your knowledge of proper subsets. Now you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, how many proper subsets are there? The number of proper subsets. How many proper subsets are there? Okay, so if n of a is equal to m, then number of elements in the power set, that means all the subsets is 2 to the power m, correct? Now out of 2 to the power m, how many are improper? Improper is only one, that is a, correct? Improper is only one which is equal to a, that is a itself, and all others are improper, all others are proper, only one is improper, correct? Well, so therefore number of proper subsets number of proper subsets is equal to 2 to the power m minus 1. That's the formula. Okay. Now 2, what is m? Number of elements of a. Number of elements are 5. So what is 2 raised to 5? 2 raised to 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times 32 minus 1, which is 31. So 31, option B is the right choice. Well, I hope you understood the meaning of proper and improper. Improper is only one, which is a itself. All others are proper. So except one, all are proper. Total subsets are 32. Out of that, one is improper. So the proper are 31. Well, so that is about the first example. Now let's move on to the next question. Let's jump to the second one. Okay, so talking about the second example here, you have 4 options: infinite, not a set, not a set. What is the set? Well defined collection of objects. If it is not well defined, then it will not be a set. Null set means empty set, 5. Singleton set, only one element. Go to the set. So what is the set you have? The set of all x where x is not equal to minus x. Here x is not equal to minus x. Now which elements you can write here? Can you write 1? Not necessarily natural numbers, it can be any real numbers also. They have not mentioned anything, that means it's a real number. Okay, well, it can be any other. Okay, let's think about the numbers itself. X, because it is minus, it cannot be minus things, no objects, right? It should be numbers only. Well, now can you write 1? Can you write 1? 1 is not equal to minus 1. True, no. 1 is not equal to 1. If it was that case, then it is not true. But 1 is not equal to minus 1 is true. Therefore, can you write 1? Yes, I can write 1. And what about 2? Let us say 2. 2 is also not equal to minus 2. No. So I can write 2. It satisfies. Correct. What is saying is correct. I can write 2 here. I can write 3 here. I can write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can write minus 1 also. Minus 3 let me write in place of x. So that is like minus 3 is not equal to 3. Correct. I can write minus 3 also. I can write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I can write many things, infinite. So this says an infinite set. It's an infinite set. You have infinite elements which satisfy this rule. Okay, so there are so many things. So it is a set, it is well defined. Okay, then null set, no, we have many elements. Singleton, no, we have many elements. Singleton means only one, we have more than one, so it is infinite set. Well, now let's switch to the third question. Coming to the third question here, you have A is equal to set of all x. X is an integer, x to the power 4 minus 16 is 0. Okay, so x to the power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. That means x to the power 4 is equal to 16. Correct? So that means x to the power 4 is equal to, or as an equation we will simplify. This is difficult because you have to the power 4. I'm sorry. Okay, see, what you can do is you can write this as x square whole square, and this is like 4 square. Now you have a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b, that is like x square plus 4 and x square minus 4. Now can you have this 0? X square plus 4 is never 0. Okay, so x square plus 4 is not equal to 0 for any real number. Complex, yes, we are not talking about complex here, we are talking about integers, not even real numbers. We are talking about integers. You put any integer here, will it be 0? Okay, or if you are going with the usual method, you can write x plus 4 should be 0, or x square minus 4 should be equal to 0. That means x square should be equal to minus 4. That means x is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4. This does not belong to integers, you can say. This is a complex, square root of negative. Okay. Then what about this? This is x square is equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 2. So you have plus 2 and minus 2. So you got two values here. Well, so one is minus 2, another is 2. So now you check which one is correct. You might have been thinking that this is 4, therefore I should have 4 outcomes. That's not the case here, because 2 are complex, they are not integers. Okay, integers are only 2, minus 2 and 2, therefore the first option is right. Only minus 2 and 2 can be written in this set, because the condition is it should be integer. Well, moving on to the fourth question, you have a similar equation. You have y cube minus 27, and y should be natural number. Okay, so you can write a cube minus b cube formula and you can get 3 outcomes. Okay, so you need that. A cube minus b cube formula. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Correct? Right now, okay, because when you multiply this, you will get a cube, a square b, ab square, and minus a square b minus ab square will get cancelled, minus b cube, a cube minus b cube will remain. Okay, you can see that multiplication and all that doesn't matter. Now a is y and b is 3, so 3y. Okay, fine. Now y minus 3 will be 0, or y square plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, can you factorize this? When you multiply, you should get 9. When you add, you should get 3. Not possible. So you will get complex roots here. Okay, I will tell you why. Y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into 1 into c 9 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. Okay, so this is like minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 36. 9 minus 36 is square root of minus 27. This is square root of negative. That is not an natural number. You should have natural numbers. This is not a natural number. It will be complex. Won't be real number also. Okay, so what is the only solution? Y is equal to 3. So which element will be there in the set A in place of Y? You have only 3. You have only 3. So 3 belongs to A is the right choice. Okay, so that is one way of understanding. Otherwise, you can think about this. Put 9 here. 9 cube minus 27, is it 0? No. 3 cube minus 27 is 0. So only 3 will fit here. What about minus 3? Minus 3 whole cube will be minus 27. Minus 27 minus 27 is minus 54, which is not 0. Correct? When you put minus 9 also, you won't get 0. So you can go through the options and check. And one more hint is natural number. Therefore, negative is not natural number. This is also not natural number, integers. So only C or A can be the answer. When you put A, I am not getting 0. So only 3 should be the answer. That's the way you can think. CET. In CET, you don't have to solve like this. You don't have to. This is only helpful for you to understand when you study now. Okay. As you go along, as you solve many questions, you must just use your brain, use your reasoning, use your logic and understand the answer. Go through the options, substitute and check. So there are many techniques. As we go along, I'll enumerate those techniques and elaborate on that. Okay, so till then we will use our normal method, and in between I will be telling you this shortcut method also. Well, let's move on to the next question. Well, dear students, moving on to the question number 5. Set B is given, okay, as a set builder rule method. Set of all x where x is an integer, okay, negatives, positives, okay, integers, and x square minus 16 should be 0. So shall we use the shortcut method? Okay, put 4 square 16 minus 16 0. So this is true. 4 belongs to B, correct. Minus 4 belongs to B, correct. So put minus 4 here. Minus 4 whole square 16 minus 16 0. So minus 4 also belongs to B, but here they have given not belongs to B. Therefore this is not true. This is not true. This is true, correct. Minus 2, can you put minus 2 here? Minus 2 whole square 4 minus 16 is not 0. Not true. Put 2 square 4, not true. So which option is correct? Only this. Don't be confused with this. Minus 4 belongs to B actually. Does not belong, they have given. Therefore that is not the option. This is the right option. Well, I hope you understood. You don't have to solve it in a lengthier method. Okay, so moving on to the next question 6. This I have explained already, so let me explain it again. Okay, so the alphabet, okay, is phi. That is a symbol. Now this set has one element, that is phi. Okay, it represents the empty set, correct. It represents empty set. Which one? Only phi. Only phi or only this? These two represent empty set. Okay. See, both are null sets, empty sets. Alright. So any one symbol. But if you write like this is set of phi, a set which includes phi. That means it has one element. That means it is a singleton set, or you can say it is a finite set. It is not a null set, not infinite. It is a set. And which set is that? finite set. Okay, so good. Let's move on to the next. Please keep this in mind. Very important concept. Many students get confused with that. You don't be confused. Well, question number 7. Number of elements in the power set. So the set A is given. Let's understand that first. Set of all x, and what is x? Natural number. And how is that x looks like? X is such that when you square it, it should be less than 9. Okay, so when you square it, it should be less than 9. So since it is a natural number, I can start with 1 obviously. So put 1. 1 square is 1. Is it less than 9? Yes, it is less than 9. Put 2, next natural number. 2 square is 4. Is it less than 9? Yes, it is less than 9. Now 3 can I write? 3 belongs to natural number. Yes, but 3 square is equal to 9. Is it less than 9? No. 9 is equal to 9. 9 is not less than 9. 9 is not greater than 9. Okay, so you don't have less than or equal. If there was less than or equal, then you could write 3 because equal sign is there. It is equal. Okay, so that is not an element of A. 3 is not an element of A. 4 square 16 is greater than 9. It goes 5, 6, 7 and all, everything will go above 9. Okay, so only 1 and 2. That means number of elements in A are 2. Then what is number of elements in the power set? 2 raised to m. Now what is m? M is 2. So this is 2 square, which is 4. Therefore the option B is the right answer. So 2 raised to m is the formula to find the number of elements in the power set. So that's it for today's class. Thank you for watching. We will continue with this concept of set. Okay, so thank you once again.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.